we're going into the Bellagio. As usual, you walk into the mall. We're going now to find the reception desk because it's usually very pretty in the lobby area. Wolfgang Puck. Spago. So they have the Cirque du Soleil show here. Okay, people. Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.